So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone. And in this video, I'm Kamal Faris. So, first of all, let's give thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for giving us mercy and blessings. So uh, we still can get a healthy body into our life now. So now, um, I'm going to teach you about labs, the sixth lab. Hold on a second. Eh, yes. So this is the fourth video tutorial. So here we have EIGRP filtering except administrative distance. So in this lab, we have some topology, which is we have one, two, and three routers. And each routers with config that like this. So the router one have so the router one have an IP address for interface 1/0, which is 12.12.1, and we will activate the port and then put into a EIGRP protocol and with the network 12.12.1 and auto summary. So it's going to be agency if we put also an IP address on router 2, 12.12.2, and also the 23.23.2, and also we put in router EIGRP and we advertise network 12.12.2 and network 23.23.2. So if this network 12.12.1 meet with 12.12.2, so it will agency and we can share data, some information or some table routing information to each router. And also in this one, in router 3, we've also you need to make some interface loopback on router 3. Yes, on router 3, we will have some IP loopback. Then start from 0 with IP address 333 to 155 triple 200F 4 and 4 255, and then interface of pick 1 with an IP address 333.17 and triple 255.240, and the second one interface of pick 2 with an IP address 333.33 triple 255 and 200.248. And so the top one there is interface loopback 3 and with an IP address the triple three dot on 100 and the subnet mask triple 255 dot 224, and the fourth one in IP address with triple three dot 150, and the subnet mask multiple triple 255 dot 252, and the last one triple three dot 200 and triple 255 dot 240. And after that just need to input in a router EIGR pattern, then we can advertise it all of the network with 0000 and no auto summary. So EIGRP filtering AD. So if we search in online, what is um what's it? What is EIGRP filtering AD? AD. So AD, as I said before, it's usually mean administrative distance, which is the trustworthiness of a root source. Lower is more trusted for EIGRP. Internal EIGRP roots have AD 90. External EIGRP roots have AD 170. Filtering in EIGRP refers to controlling which roots get advertised or accepted. This is usually done with distribute list, root maps, offset list, and stop routing. So, and here we are going to use ERGP filtering AD. So before that, if you just use some topology like the previous lab, like lab 5 or lab 4, so you can do this first in router 2. No access list 1, permit 000.1, 255, 255, 255.254, and go to router ID address 10, and no distribute list 1 in Ethernet 0/0. So it will delete previous configuration of access list filtering. And now we are going to um, use filtering AD. So filtering administrative distance. So it's just like in on router 2, just type access 1 permit 333.0 and 000.250, and router EIGRP 10 to distance 250 250 and if you do show AP route over here, so it will show 23.00, 23.0, 12.0, and 12.0. So this is the formula of for filtering AD. There is distance, value source IP, workout mask, access number. And now, before we go to authentication step, we are going to talk about analogy for routing authentication. So keychain is a keychain like this. So it's uh like the ring with a lot of key over here. And there is also a key ID string. My key string is just like per key. And this one, we're going to talk about this one on the next video. And yes, now yes, in here I will explain you that we in here we make an access list one from it 333.0 on 000.255. So it will permit the previous lab. So you know what? In the previous lab, this one, we've met that like this one. There's access list one permit 000 and like this. And now just sems and we'll put in root a year pattern, and now we use distance 250. So just like what I said before, the bigger the distance, so the priority is not big also, but the lower the distance, the priority is will be higher. So this one we put 250 000, and that mask and the root mask, and we will put one, which is the accessories one. And if we show IP root, there will be now any three, uh, 333.0, because we've changed the priority to hike to the distance to be higher than others. So maybe just that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.